I don't want to talk about that because I'm really angry. So we're going to move on. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So I figured I would go over some products that I purchased at Sephora. I just walked in, I felt like shopping a little. I didn't get that much, but I spent a lot. I was running out of all my face oils and serums, and usually I get them sent to me or something, or they're from the IPSY, and the IPSY didn't come yet, and I was like, oh, all right, I'm here. Let me just buy some products. And I honestly bought whatever was, if you go in Sephora, you walk in and they have, I guess, new products or products that they're trying to push or display. Maybe they're new, maybe they're not. I honestly don't know. If you work at Sephora, you'll know that more. If you don't work at Sephora, you probably know that too. I wanted to try whatever they were trying to tell me I should try. So I did that. And at the same time, of course, when I got home, my IPSY box was in the mail. So then my IPSY box came and I was like, you know what? Let me just review the products from my IPSY and Sephora in the same video. Why not? So let's get into this. I also got a hair product, but we'll save that for last. Okay, so I did a little differently. Instead of doing it with you and going over it, I already filmed it so I could show you as we talk about it how I felt about each product. I'm gonna start with this one because I didn't use this in the video because it's during the day, and this is for a nighttime product. This is from Kat Berkey, Retin C Treatment Complex. Now this is for nighttime use. I do have my Murad retinol. I always say the wrong thing. I'll just stick this in there. I've my Murad retinol. This is retinol resculpt overnight treatment. This is my second bottle. I don't know. I am obsessed with this. I love it. Love it. I think my skin looks amazing ever since I've been using it. So it's gonna run out though. And I like to try new stuff, right? So I picked up this Kat Berkey. Am I saying it right? I hope so. This is from Kat Berkey Retin C Treatment Complex. Now, guys, I'm just telling you, this came in my IPSY. Did it come in my IPSY? Wow. Okay, guys, just so you know, this came in my IPSY box. I spend, what do I spend? 30, it might be 35 now. It might have went up, or it might not be. I don't remember, but it's definitely not more than that. This bottle alone that came in my IPSY box for, what did I say, $30, $35? I'll even say $35. This is sold at Bloomingdale's for $165. $165. I will never stop my IPSY if this keeps going. This was BoxyCharm at first, and IPSY had little samples, but now, I don't know, I guess there's two different boxes now, because now it's like the same as BoxyCharm. They just took over, I suppose, in the name, and you still get full-sized items, like 5 or 6 items, and they're like all really good items. So this has vitamin C, which is called Stay C, Rovisum, which is a less abrasive but more effective form of retinol. Retinol, I know it's so familiar, but it's not potato, it's actually two different things. Vitamin C helps increase retinol's efficiency, the benefits from your retinol. Now, I'm obviously reading about the product online. I am not a dermatologist, but I could tell you how things work and feel on me, and I could tell you that. So this one we're gonna have to update you on because I have not been using it. So that will be in my next skincare routine, because I can't really say how great a product is if I used it once, like for the video. Skincare is more like I have to use it for weeks, and then I'll tell you if I like it or not. I'll basically show you products that I like. I'm not gonna show you products I don't like. Now, I had to look up the correct order of putting on skincare because I always forget. I always think I know it, and then it changes, or one of you guys tell me, no, you're supposed to put that on first. I'm like, oh shoot. So I looked it up and I looked at a chart just to make sure I put these in order. This is from Conserving Beauty, Conserve Your Face Oil. This goes for $49.40. Now, I'm gonna have to put up here, I can't remember which one I got from IPSY and which one I got from Sephora. This is for all skin types. And I am so excited because I haven't had a face oil in a long time, and I love the feeling of face oils. This helps with your dullness, your redness, and for dehydration. I do definitely get red spots on my cheeks. It's free of all the bad stuff. Okay, so this is a blend of 9 plant-based oils that nourish and hydrate the skin. It's rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and omegas. It features 9 plant-based oils. It soothes redness and irritation, and you know what? It really is soothing on my skin. I can tell you when I put it on, I just felt nourished and moisturized, and it was really nice. It's supposed to help reduce breakouts, dark spots, and fine lines. So it's also helping my fine lines. It has sunflower oil, sunflower seed oil. Oh, cannabis sativa seed oil. Interesting. Yeah, so this is good to apply first thing in the morning. It keeps your skin protected all day. Guys, sorry about my voice. I was at a wedding last night, and when the music is loud and you get to my age and you can't hear, you're just like we're screaming to each other. My voice is shot. Okay, moving on with the face cream. This I did get in my IPSY. This is Yensa Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. 8 Power Pink Essentials. Superfood Beauty. A rich, nourishing face serum formulated with pink lotus and peptides to brighten, depuff, and visibly firm the skin. Now, I did use this today. It felt really good on my skin, and I'm going to tell you, if you watch my channel, you know that I usually don't go without using my L'Oreal Collagen Moisture Cream, whatever it's called, day, night. I love that stuff. It's the only stuff that really makes me feel moisturized, and there are other, it's something about here I would get more dry if I didn't use that, but I didn't use my L'Oreal today, and all I did was you're seeing on the video what I used. Look at my face. How healthy does this look? It's shiny, it's moisturized. Liking this so far. Again, you know, I need time with face products to really know if they're working or not, but I could tell. I have used products like a lotion, and you'll put it on and you're like, it's not moisturizing enough, and this definitely is, without a doubt. Okay, and one more I would say before we get into makeup is I got also from IPSY. This is Aceology Passion Fruit Refining Lip Scrub. I really never use a lip scrub. I like lip scrubs. I just don't like to use, like my daughters will use Carmex or Vaseline on their lips all day, and I feel like especially in the winter you get to it, your lips want it more, and I don't really do a lot of scrubs. So I'm glad to get this because I never bought a scrub for myself for my lips. So I did use this and I like it. I probably should have done it before I did everything else on my face, but it's okay because I have to wipe it off with warm water, but made my lips feel good. And winter's coming, so this will become handy. Okay, I covered all the skincare products I got. Let's move on to makeup. I didn't get a lot, but makeup was also, I walked in and I said, let's see, let's just pick some makeup up. Okay, also in my IPSY box, I got a Phase Zero eyeshadow palette. Obviously, this is all my favorite colors. I mean, yes, I don't need another eyeshadow palette with these colors. I don't. I have so many of them. But it's a pretty palette. It looked really good. It's good for a typical look. That's my everyday look. It was nice. The formula is nice. I like it. Can't say anything bad about it. I picked up from Haas Labs. I got a concealer. I don't know what it is, but it reminded me of my Dior concealer. And even when I put it on, it's like, it's a little hard. They should have made the top a little wider, but I like it. And I didn't use any foundation today. Some days I just like to go with just a little concealer and then some bronzer, and I'm done for the day, just to cover up all my blemishes, etc. And I really did like this. I put a little extra on to cover up. I have more of my blemishes on the cheeks, so it's definitely buildable. And I really liked it. It's creamy, it's nice. Color is perfect for me. And yeah, so not knowing that I was going to get, or I probably did know, I probably picked it because IPSY wants you to pick. They send you an email and say it's time to pick your box for the month. I don't know that if I don't pick it, I assume I'm just going to get whatever they give me. I think I'm going to try that next week because it's more exciting to be like, oh, but then I'll complain and say, oh, this isn't my color. So I don't know. I'll probably continue to pick. But if you don't want to pick, I suppose you don't have to and just be surprised. I do like being surprised. But anyway, in Sephora, I picked up this little eyeshadow from GXVE. It's called Paint It Up. It's a long wear mousse eyeshadow in ombre. And I got this because I was just testing a lot of makeup. And as you could see, what a great shimmer. This is just, it's so pretty, and it's just great for like I thought it would be great for like an everyday, just put it on if you just want like a simple color, a little shimmer there, a little shine. It's just, I thought it was so pretty. I thought it was like really pretty. See that shimmer? What I did is I kind of mixed along that one with this. I should have just put that on now just to show you. I kind of played with that and this. Of course, I always get overboard, so let's put a little more on. I think I just ruined my look, but that's okay. Just to show you, that to me is going to be better for like an everyday, nothing else on my eyes, just that. It's so pretty. Creamy, it's lightweight, it's mousse. I mean, even though you have aging eyes, they, you know, I feel like I do kind of see my texture more with this, but what I would normally do is, so I put that on, and if I just take a regular powder, just kind of go over, like I would put that underneath and then put a powder over it just to kind of, not all the way over it here, but like, I didn't want it. I really like that. Is that everything? How boring. I feel like I got so much more. I spent so much money. Oh wait, I did. I'm not done. I did. I got 2 hair products. So this is going to be another day. We'll just talk about this another day. Vegamore Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner. I didn't use it yet. I don't know. This is a familiar bottle, right? This is Moroccan Oil Smoothing Lotion. Now, I can't remember if I did a video on this. I thought I did a long time ago. I have to look it up, I guess. But I bought it again because I know that I see this advertised everywhere, and I'm like, it's like it's always like on the top of the list as far as favorites. So I'm like, I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna make a video, and I did just that. I did my hair with this today. It came out wonderful. Now I'm gonna tell you something crazy. I took the chance, and I actually had a big, one of the biggest events I had was a wedding last night, and I took the chance and I used it, and I'm gonna just pop pictures up because my hair came out great. And I would never take a chance and use a product for the first time, not knowing how it's gonna be in my hair, but I did it because I had that much confidence in it. Thank God. Now, I did spend an extra 20 minutes drying my hair to the bone. I had a fan on it while I was doing my makeup. I put tons of hairspray in it that I had to actually use a co-wash this morning to get some of that hairspray out. But when you have an event, you go a little more extra, right? So, this is me not going extra. I loved this product. Great product. Great product. Okay, guys, I think I'm done. Oh, no, I'm not done. I bought an eyeliner, Aqua Resist Color Pencil from Makeup Forever. The reason why I got this is because I never got an eyeliner in this color, so I wanted to try it out. It's like a copper. I like it. It's creamy. It has a built-in sharpener on the bottom. So I thought something different instead of black, and even brown. It's got like this copper shimmer to it. And when I put it on, I was like, oh, maybe I should add some black to it in the eyeliner. And then I said, no, wait, because the mascara is black, and that will kind of be the black in there. Yeah, I think it works. I think it really works. Great for the fall. So, great fall color, great fall makeup. So yeah, I will keep you posted. We'll have to do an updated skincare video in a few weeks on what I've been using. And that's it. Okay, my stomach is growling. But if you saw the beginning of my video, I don't know why I'm not more angry. I've had these shoes. I wore these to the wedding last night, and I came out of the shower today, and this is what I found in Crouton's mouth. My daughter's dog. Now, I've had these shoes for quite a long time. I got them a long time ago. They're basically the shoes that I wear to every fancy event because they're beautiful. They're beautiful on. And he ruined them. I could maybe get this fixed, but I can't fix. Can I fix that? Like, guys, do you know anything? Have you? Wilma never chews stuff. She just never did that. She doesn't do it. Look what he did. It's ruined. Ruined. Oh my God. Look, he ripped all the siding off. He also ruined another pair of my shoes, similar shoes in black. You know, that's my fault. I should have left them out, but he never chewed. Well, I shouldn't say he never chewed. Just last week he chewed it, right. Should have known. I should have put them away. But whatever. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. I will see you in the next video. Let me know if you want me to review anything. Till then.